But I love the idea of learning from other Devin power users and also getting the inside scoop on what the company is building, what's next on the horizon. It's been a lot of fun playing with the system, and so yeah, love to learn more about it.
And at some point, Walden was just like, you know what, Devin, just give this a try. And it just like did it.
Summer of 2024, where Devin crossed Walden on the leaderboard as the #1 committer at Cognition. It was kind of the first time we felt like you could sort of squint internally and say, like Devin is starting to recursively self-improve.
Yeah, so first thing that stands out is the migration of our data warehouse from Redshift to Snowflake. So it was a huge project that couldn't have done in that time frame without Devin. I built a take-home application that candidates can go through, and once they submit their take-home exercise, then the next step is that we give them access to the code base, and they get to iterate on it, make changes to it, and ship a PR in a live interview. And Devin was able to ship the blog post for that, which worked really well because it could access the code, how it was built, and also PRs from candidates. And it's been a really fun project to work with Devin on.
I think each customer engineer at Cognition can have super high leverage impact, right? Like imagine working very closely between like Cigna and Cognition. We could go accomplish 1,000 engineers plus worth of output. With maybe like 1 or 2 customer engineers working very closely with you and a few folks on your team.
This is not just making my job faster, it's reimagining how I do my job.
This was great. It was a very productive day where lots of sessions with openness and willingness to discuss real problems we're having with the products, but also solutions we found were discussed. It is exciting to be here, to feel the energy and to work with colleagues who are facing quite of the same challenges, but also finding the same solutions we do.
I actually do think that we're trending towards like increased privacy and like company autonomy. But when you look at the graph, it's like the cloud agents are on sort of like a runaway exponential relative to local agents, which makes intuitive technical sense. I think like right now, a lot of the frontier that I see from like a lot of our strongest users is really mastering automations.
The workshops, hands-on practice and solving some of the things that aren't working just perfectly for us, like with the Devin team, I think really helpful. Yeah, glad I'm here. It's a lot of fun already.
Energizing is the word I would to describe this day.
Thank you so much for joining us.